Meaning of Han.
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 Han. Han can have different meanings depending on the context. In some cases, it can be a short form of honey or a term of endearment between couples or close friends. It can also refer to an honorific title used in some Asian cultures, such as Japan and Korea, to show respect towards someone of higher status, like a teacher or elder. The term Han can also be an abbreviation for hospitality or honors, as in academic honors. Additionally, Han is a place name in Sweden, referring to a city on the western coast. In summary, Han can mean a variety of things depending on the context, including a term of endearment, an honorific title, an abbreviation for hospitality or honors, and a place name in Sweden.